Hi students, I hope everyone's having a great day. It's Miss Jane. So today we're going to continue our nutrition learning and we're going to learn all about fats today. So when you think of that word fat, what comes to your mind? For most of us, we have some kind of negative thoughts when we think about fat. When we think about some unhealthy foods that could be associated with fat. And that is most definitely true. But there are also some kinds of fats that our bodies really need and are really healthy for our bodies. So these kinds of fats that are healthy for our bodies, they're called unsaturated fats. You don't have to worry too much about that word, but we'll call them healthy fats, okay? And our bodies actually need them in order to stay healthy. They're really good for our hearts, for our brains, for our skin, for our hair, for our immune system. They help to keep us from getting sick. They help us to feel full and help keep our blood sugar more stable, like how we learned about last week in our sugars class, right? So, what are these healthy fats? So when I think of fats, I like to think of them in three different categories. I like to think of healthy fats as green fats. So I'm thinking of a stoplight, right? And stoplights have green, yellow, and red. And green means go, right? So when we think about a green fat, we're thinking about fats that are healthy for us, that are good for us. They're these unsaturated fats that, green, go. It's okay to eat these. They will help you to be healthy. So green fats are fats that are found in avocados, fats that are found in nuts, like these are cashews. They're found in olives. They're found in seeds. They're found in dark chocolate, not milk chocolate, dark chocolate. They're found in salmon or other fatty fish. They're found in olive oil. So one thing that I noticed about most of these foods is that most of them are whole foods. So they're found just like how they grow, right? So olives, avocados, they're found like how they grow on trees or in the ground. Olive oil is a little bit more processed, but that's still a healthy fat. So healthy fats, they're unsaturated fats. Green means go. All right. So in the world of fats, it's not just good and bad. There's a big middle ground, okay? And we use that same stoplight analogy, where green means go. Yellow, on the other hand, means slow down, right? So that means some are healthy, but you don't want to eat too much. And these are the fats that are called saturated fats. Saturated fats. So saturated fats are found in things like coconut oil. They're found in, I don't have much in here, but they're found in butter. They're found in, sausage. They're found in hamburgers. They're found in milks and cheese. They are found in ice cream. So you see dairies and meats, and then some of these oils, right? So these all get the yellow light And that means it's okay to have some. It's healthy for your body to have some, but not too much, okay? So you can have some, but not too much. And then we have these red fats. And just like a stoplight, red means stop, right? Do not go, don't even go slow. So that means that no amount of these fats are healthy for our bodies, okay? And these red fats are trans fats. So again, I don't want you to worry too much about the name. I'll give you some examples. But trans fat is basically vegetable oil. And that's tricky, right? Because vegetable, that sounds really healthy. But it's vegetable oils that have been heated up really, really, really hot so that its chemicals change. And these oils, these trans fats, are made in a laboratory or in a factory. And the goal, what they're really good at, is they're making to make sure that food doesn't spoil, so that it doesn't go bad, so that they have a long shelf life. So for example, it would be like a food that is packaged and then sits on the shelf for a long time. And when you open it, it hasn't molded, it hasn't gotten rotten or anything like that. So that is what the trans fats are used for, okay? And 0 amount of trans fats are good for our bodies. So that is a red light, that's a stop. So where are these trans fats found? They are found in like packaged cakes, packaged pies, packaged muffins. Like you open a package and take the muffin out, right? It's the one that's been made months ago, years ago maybe, and it still hasn't gone bad, right? Trans fats are found in like microwave popcorn, in flavored microwave popcorn, like the butter flavor. There's trans fat found in there. Trans fats are found in a lot of deep fried foods. So foods that you would get like fast food, like fried chicken. They're found in French fries. So anything that's spent time in a deep fryer, likely to have trans fats. If you know what margarine is, it's like a fake butter that is full of trans fats, as is frosting. So frosting that you would buy in a store in a little container, frosting also has a lot of trans fats. So I hope that helps to make that a little bit more clear. We have our red fats, we have our yellow fats, and we have our green fats. So green means go ahead, eat that avocado. Actually, it's healthy to have that, helps your body. Yellow means you can have some, but not too much. So having the occasional ice cream, that's great. But to eat ice cream for 3 meals a day, not so much. And then red means stop, right? So that means trying to avoid foods like deep fried foods and packaged fatty foods like packaged muffins and things like that. So does that mean you can't ever have something from the red section on occasion? No, it's best not to, but it might happen, and that's okay. But remember to mostly be eating out of the green section. Great. All right, everybody, I encourage you at your next meal to look at your plate and make sure that you have one healthy fat from that green section.